Coach Marcel Gayle must feel a little bit disappointed, taking a lead again a second time and then conceding in added time, losing 3-2. Tell us about it.
Yeah, I mean, very disappointed. But I mean, lesson have to learn from these mistakes. As I said, it was a young back line. I mean, we have some young players around the back. We can learn and how we can move forward from here. I mean, we come in Tivoli, it wasn't be an easy game. I think we go there, we keep ourselves well. I think we make 3 mistakes today around the back. Those 3 mistakes cost us the game today.
As you talk about 3 mistakes, actually when you took that lead 2-1, you conceded within the next minute. Is it that teams as normal in football in that end? Scoring, focusing, losing focus and then conceding. Is that I think what cost the team and they just didn't adjust immediately after their goal?
To somewhat. But I guess the maturity and the leadership, I mean, around there, I think we could have done much better. I mean, we weren't covering properly. As you can see, it cost us 3 points today. I just think the lesson we learned from today, we have to keep it and we can't make this mistake. And Premier League, you can't make these mistakes and expect to get 3 points.
As you talk about lessons learned, coach, you have lost 2 games that actually meant a lot to you. 1 game put you down to 7th place, and I think this game no problem will have put you down to 8th place. How you're looking at some adjustment going forward and trying to get back yourself in that top 6 position?
It's most important for us now to get recovery about the next important game in midweek. So we're just focusing on the next one.
All right, coach. I felt Waterhouse started very great. Can you tell us? Can you explain what went wrong after the early goal?
As I said, we make some mistakes. Some junior mistakes. At this level, it cannot work.
You mentioned junior mistakes. You feel that the fact that after they get the second goal and they scored immediately was just down to the youth of the team?
Several things, but we have to learn from these mistakes. We watch my team again, and we look for the error taking place. For me, here today, I guess again we're still finding our best, and I think, as I said, we play our game, but that we tactically and technically we go out there and we execute. But unfortunately, we give up 3 soft goals. We give Tivoli 3 goals today.
All right, coach. I see that you had a team meeting right after the game. How do you pick up this squad for the next match, knowing that time is running out and you're not outside the player picture? What do you do to really get this team ready for the next game?
I say just the mental aspect of it and come forward. It's important to also get them back tomorrow to recover. We talk about this one and prepare for the next one.
Yes, coach, the same thing. How demotivating is this? Can you actually get the guys them back up and to believe again that they can actually go back?
We suffer a 3-0 victory. Defeat at home. And we come here today and we score 2 goals. Unfortunately, again, we lost concentration. We give up 3 goals. So, we're scoring now. Yes, after the better than that.
Yeah, we still have to make few changes the second half in the back line. How important, as I said, was that in terms of stabilizing the defense and even seeing out the game?
Yes, that was the plan too. We can't see that second goal. The plan was to, keep what we have. And, unfortunately, I mean, as I said, we just shut off that moment.
Coach, at the start of the game, we see a change of manpower. Nicholas was in, the central defender was in, and whatever. Is it that you look at probably some adjustment of this nature for me to try and go forward?
Yeah, I mean, Nicholas is a fantastic player. I mean, whenever they're fit and they're ready, we are playing good in training. So, come much they get the opportunity and we take it to them. We score one and it's birthday.
Coach, that we lamented on a lot of the match. Is there anything positive that you can take away from this result?
Yeah, I mean, I thought we played well. I say we have a plan today and we can go there and execute the plan. We get goals, but again, we have to defend better.
And coach, is it concerning that that you tend to concede the goals and late in the half, in both halves? Do you think that fitness could be a factor?
We played from minute 1 to 90. It's like
All right, coach.